All right. Good morning, everyone. Excited to be here. Like she said, we have 3 practices around Phoenix, Arizona. I love orthodontics. I wanted to be a dentist from the time I was probably 5 years old. Never changed my mind, and so it is truly my passion. Here's his before treatment. So when I saw this and I heard him say Invisalign, I was like, how are we going to do this? And honestly, I've never shown this case to another doctor, be it a dentist or orthodontist, that they haven't said, wow, I can't believe you even tried that. It's pretty crazy. So just a quick recap, I already went over it. Crossbite, miss a couple teeth, midlines are off, upper lower crowding. So treatment plan, took out upper right 5, I already talked about that. I wanted to take out the 4, but I didn't take it out. We took impressions for Invisalign. I also took out the lower left 4. I had to use a TAD to help with anchorage because of the tooth I took out that I didn't want to, and we used class 2 elastics. Here's his Clinch Check. It takes a really long time because there's a million aligners, so be patient with me. And you can see kind of the sequential movement. I didn't really know even what view to show you guys. This was the one that was the best that I could come up with. So if you can't see everything, you can come see me afterwards if you had questions about it. But that's what we did. As you see, 43 aligners, that's a ton. But that was where the first Clinch Check said that we were going to get to. And as you can see, we did pretty good. Most of the spaces are closed now. You can see where I have the TAD placed, where we had the buttons for the elastics. And at this stage, I did do IPR to try to help correct the midlines the rest of the way before I took the refinement impressions. This is the progress Clinch Check that we used. And mostly it was just to kind of close spaces and align the midlines and get everything on the rest of the way. We got them all the way fixed. All the spaces closed. Midlines are perfect. I was super excited about it. This is how I do retention. In case you're wondering, we also used an upper Essex. Here's his before and after pictures so you can compare what we did. And here's the final pano. So you can see we did get pretty good root parallelism. Those who say you can't get the roots straight, we did an okay job. I'd be happy if I did this with braces too. But here's his testimonial afterwards.
What is the reason you decided to straighten your teeth with us, Richard?
For oral hygiene, it's easier to clean.
Okay. How was your experience with Invisalign?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very easy to, for me, almost no effort. Easy.
Okay. And then how has your new smile made a difference in your life?
Oh, it's a huge difference. I used to, when someone's taking a picture of me, I used to close my lips, mouth. But right now, I can, smile to the picture, to the camera.
Yep, you can show us your beautiful teeth.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I know that it works. I'm really happy with the results, and I don't think I had any more slides, and that's it. Thank you for coming, and thank you for listening to my presentation.